Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Training System, and this is Tuesday the 6th of August 2019, and it's just coming up to 9 p.m. at night in Singapore, 9 a.m. in US Eastern Standard Time, so just at the start of the US trading session. And for the theme so far this week, it has been on the trade tensions between US and China, with the US dollar weakening and spot gold making a charge higher again. But let's take a look at the euro first. The euro did manage a strong move yesterday, so it took advantage of the US dollar weakness, and it made a 100 over pip move to break above the 112 area and continued to this morning as well to hit 112.50 before pulling back in below the 112. So we shall see how this candle closes today, see whether it's going to be a further retracement for the rest of the week. All right, and let's take a look at the cable. Cable did not fare too well. It's been trying to find support at the 121 area. It did manage to hit the weekly pivot today at 122.07 and still trying to break above the 122, close below above the 122. So we shall see whether it's able to recover to retest the 138 fib area at 122.50. All right, moving on to the Aussie. The RBA this morning or late morning left rates unchanged and did not leave a dovish tone without signaling any future rate cuts. So the Aussie recovered after a fall yesterday. It has hit a low of 0.6748, recovered to hit the 0.68 level. So we'll see today whether this candle will be a bullish engulfing or whether it could be a piercing line and possible recovery for the next couple of days. And the dollar yen suffered when it fell at the start of the week, gapped down slightly to hit the 106 level and continued further today to hit the weekly S1 pivot level, 105.65 area. It hit a low of 105.52 before recovering and rebounding back up to hit a high of 107.09. So this was a big swing of 150 pips today so far, but it has pulled back in below this resistance zone again of the previous swing low. So we'll see how this candle closes and whether it's going to be a consolidation for the next couple of days because of these long wicks on either side. All right, with that, moving on to spot gold, XAU USD. As the US dollar weakened, spot gold broke higher above the previous high and climbed above the 162 fib extension level of this continuation move. We go to the weekly chart from this bullish continuation move, and it has almost hit the weekly R2 level at 1478. Now if use the smaller fib area and I moved it down from the previous high to where the start of the triangle was, the extension is at 138 fib at a 1504 area, so close to the weekly R3 pivot at 1508. So we shall see over the next week or so whether it's able to find support from the 1453 level and attempt to press higher. Right? This is going to be a significant 500 pip move, but it will take a couple of weeks to eventualize. If it does, there could be further retracement first before it attempts to build momentum to climb up higher. All right, so we'll see whether there's any trade ideas for this week. Tomorrow I'll analyze the charts again, and then we'll also follow up on Thursday for the balance of the week for the movement for this week. All right, have a good trading week and cheers.